Hi, this is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty Cityside. Just wanted to give you a brief tour of 406 South Columbia Drive in Decatur, Unit A. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's in a duplex. And the first thing you'll notice are the beautiful hardwood floors. And just the nice upgrades. This unit, well, the whole building was recently renovated. So you have this nice open living room space here. And then you have the kitchen. You have with the pantry. We have quartz countertops here. Nice drawers with all electric stainless finish here. And then you have a nice stackable in the kitchen. Outside, we have just a nice, comfortable and cozy backyard, nice and private. And on this unit, this connects to the driveway, so you can actually come in and out through the kitchen if you like. All right, and we'll head upstairs. Upstairs we have a nice full bath with tub shower combo. We have bedroom number 1 right here with a nice size closet. And bedroom number 2. With a nice size closet with a window. And there you have it, 406 South Columbia Drive, Unit A. You can give me a call. My name is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty. My cell phone number is 678-590-5999. I look forward to hearing from you and showing the property to you. All right, have a great day.